to not only learn on the academics. So that's the reason we developed this skill sets and we created this skill set platform for you to train on other things also apart from academics. Training to the VDC students every year. So we will be training from 2019. So it's been 5 years. Okay. We have Smi Chandrakant and we have Swapna madam and we have Divya madam, Sucharita madam and Shivalakshmi. These are all trainers for the SDP. Skill development means developing yourself first. So who doesn't require development? Everyone, right?
My co-trainer Bharat sir, who can take in the next slides. Good morning everyone. How are you all? This is the first time ever I am interacting with you, right? Do you know me? Only some people might have seen me on close side. So actually, I was busy during this student orientation program. Because of that, I did not come. Every year I used to be part of that, but this time I missed. That might be the reason you did not see me, guys. So let me introduce myself. My name is E. Bharat Kumar Gaur. I am HOD of Management for BBA students. Okay. So I have been working in this college from 2016. Okay. So Chandrakant sir and me, we both started SDP trainings in 2019. Right from 2019, we are successfully done with many trainings to many students. So where students learn different skills which was covered under SDP program. Now they are applying in their jobs. So based on that, see, they learned many skills. Right in interview also it was very easy to crack the job, and later they are working properly in the organization, etc. Like that, every student requires development, right? So apart from your curriculum, extra skills are required. So in general, nowadays what happening? What is the main agenda of introducing SDP program in our colleges? See, in order to save your time, if you want to take some extra learning, you need to go to some different institutions where you need to learn. So time will come into picture. So apart from that, you need to put some extra amount also. So we want to save both time and money for you guys. That's the reason we implemented SDP program in our college. So we felt like students will utilize this in a proper way. If you utilize in a proper way, definitely on Friday you will be top position. Understood, right? So based on that, we started with only 2 programs, 2019. Now we expanded those programs to a number. So in future, we are not saying only we are going to emphasize on these trainings. We may implement some other certification courses which are trending in the market in the future. So don't fix for only particular trainings which are mentioned here. Understood, right, everyone? So as whatever we have covered, let me explain about that. Mostly 70% curriculum, programs remain constant, can be changed. Let us hope for the best. You are going to get the best certification courses in the future. Okay, let me explain about these programs. So in SDP trainings, we have idea generation, Excel, management case studies, SQL, soft skills, mutual funds, investment banking, Tally ERP, certification in finance, certification of accounting. So all these courses are covered during 3 years. Every semester, we will be covering different certification courses based on the availability of time. So there will be separate class for you guys. Where trainer will come, we will assign one particular location. It may be a seminar hall. Based on the requirement, we will be taking sessions. So let me tell about idea generation. Nowadays, for every problem, we require what? Solution. In order to identify solution in a innovative way, creative way, where we need to learn idea generation techniques. So problem solving is very important, right? Even in your regular life, you might be facing a number of problems. In the same way, organization, in the operations, when you work, you might face with a number of problems. Operations team may face problems, work-related issues, whatever it is. For that, you are going to study different techniques, which is covered under idea generation. Generate a new idea to solve a problem. Generate a new idea to solve a problem. Let us say many students are late to college. That is a problem where we need to generate an idea. Without Excel, organizations are not going to hire you guys. Okay, in second year you have IIT, but time scope is very less. If you want to gain more knowledge about Excel, a separate course is designed for you. So where you are going to learn basics, complete basics. Based on that, you can go for extra learnings also. Every organization works on this. Understood, right? The next one is management case studies. Being a BBA student, it is really essential that you should know how the market is and what type of scenarios are existed in the market, what companies are entering into the market, which companies are existing. So what is the company situation? So some practical case studies you are going to know in management case studies. Being a BBA student, it is really important, guys, to know how the market is. Let us say recently which company started, which company is part of IPO, initial public offering. So which new company issued shares. Like that, you have to know many things. So where we are going to teach you practical case studies so that you will better understand. The next one, SQL. So database management system is very important for mostly management students, where you need to maintain data in a proper way, you need to present in a proper way, you need to report in a proper way. So with proper security, data security is very important, right? So in Excel also you can maintain data, but security is less as comparing to some other software. So SQL means Oracle is one of the best software that you are going to learn under SQL. Understood? So this is a separate software course. The next one, soft skills. See, in order to succeed in our life, in order to work in a team, in order to interact with others, there are a number of skills required. Like you should be good at time management, you should have good interpersonal skills. Like that, there are a number of skills required for every student or employee, whoever it is. So you are going to learn soft skills in our college. Understood? The next one, mutual funds. It is purely finance related. So there is one investment opportunity for many investors in the market. You might be seeing some advertisement, right? Invest in mutual fund. So there are low level income investors. So mutual fund is one of the best opportunity where you can invest to generate returns in the future. So why you are going to learn this? After completion of your BBA, if you choose finance as a specialization, there are a number of stockbroking companies who will hire you guys. If you mention you are certified in mutual funds, the company will blindly take you based on your certification. So that's the reason we have implemented mutual funds. Investment banking is also one of the finance certification course. So in the same way you are going to learn. The next one, Tally ERP. See, in olden days people used to maintain accounts in normal books or registers or records. What was the problem if you use like that? See, if there is any fire accident, if there is any theft issue, you are going to lose all records. So a new concept came into picture: computerized accounting. What accounting? Every organization nowadays they are doing accounts on system with the help of some softwares. There are some trending softwares in the market. Out of that, we have implemented one trending software, that is Tally ERP, which is used by many organizations. Almost 80% companies in our country using Tally ERP to find out profit or loss. They have to show that records to tax authorities. They have to show that records to government. So Tally ERP is one of the trending finance course. The next one. Hello. Next one, certification in finance. There is a lot of difference between accounting and finance. Later you will understand, guys, how well we manage the money that you are going to study under finance. This is also one of the trending certification course in the market. Many companies are hiring. Let me tell some companies. Best example, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Franklin Templeton, Cognizant, Genpact. Many companies are there in Hyderabad. They'll hire people who have knowledge of accounting and finance. Understood? The last accounting is finance is over. Next one is accounting. Both are correlated subjects, guys. So there is a lot of difference between accounting and finance. Maintaining records is accounting. Managing money is finance. We can't explain everything now. Going forward, you are going to learn about many certification courses. based on the requirement, based on the time, based on the availability, we are going to keep a particular course for you during these 3 years. Later you will be getting messages. You will be getting messages what course we are going to start. Yeah. So this course duration, everything, complete information you will get in the message. We are going to make a flyer also. You will get in your class groups where you are going to see that. Based on that, you need to follow. Understood, right? This is all about SDP training certification courses. You got some basic idea. I'm not saying 100% knowledge you got, but at least you came to know that 3 years. Understood, right? Sir, next slide. Yeah, guys. As I told you, you have soft skills training, right? To develop a student. In future, you are going to work in an organization. So where you need to apply your soft skills if you want to reach to top level. Understood? So in our soft skills, we have implemented different activities. We have implemented different activities to develop your soft skills. Without any practical activities, we can't learn 100%. So only with theory you may not learn 100%, right? So in order to eliminate the problem, we have implemented management activities also. You are going to have activity during these 3 years apart from SDP. Apart from SDP, there will be a time frame. So we will mention on that day you people will be divided into various according to nature of activity. So these are the various activities ad making. So where we are going to divide students into various teams. A team have to promote one particular product. They have to make the ad. You might be seeing ads in the TVs, right? That you have to do. You have to take your own product. You need to promote shooting, etc., etc. So we will be guiding you later. Don't worry about it. The next one, group discussion. You already know about. Group of people will sit together. Topic will be given. Agree, disagree. There will be a discussion. So company profile presentation, presenting about top companies. Thank you. So now you have an idea what are all trainings that you get. Really? Yes, sir. So guys, how it is? So before I go for next slide, I just wanted to understand. Do you have any doubt that for these programs we provide, do you feel charged or not? You mean to say, do we charge any fees? Have a doubt? No, sir. No, really no. How many of them say no? Okay. Yes, it's no. But let me guess you guys, what are the charges that can apply? How much the other institutes who can directly provide these trainings, how they charge, how much they charge? Well, expectation figure. How much it could be? Minimum 40,000 they gonna charge. So guys, I just wanted to bring you something guys. It's completely free of cost. You are getting benefited. The only thing that you must do what? Sorry? Tell me what you must do. Utilize the opportunity. Many people, anything you get for free, what you do? Ignore. They ignore. Free, if you get something for free, hey, like let it. वही money रहा तो importance create होता है. So do you really want this course for free? Then you have to give your 100%. If you are not giving 100%, then we're gonna charge. Is that okay? Yes, sir. If you are not coming to the college regularly and you are not attending while having sessions, if you are not giving 100% discipline, then obviously we're gonna charge. Will that be fine? Yes, sir. Will you take that as a promise from today onwards? Yes, sir. I'm telling you, if you are not regular, I'm not saying it's to fail. I'm saying only if you are not regular, we're gonna charge. We're gonna fine you. Okay? Yes, sir. Next slide. So guys, benefits. Firstly, So what are all benefits that we have using these management activities and all? How you become yourself? See guys, the primary object of management development training is to create a more confident and effective management team capable of driving organizational growth, employee engagement, and achieving business objectives. This means you are be getting ready as a manager when you enter into the organization. That means how you can able to manage employees, how you can able to manage the organizational growth. So you are getting this under your graduation itself, not in the organization. So whatever activity that you are learning in management level, so you are ready as a managers. This training program provides managers with the tools and skills they need to be as a good managers. So you become a manager before entering the company. So that gives more importance, right, for your profile. So key elements which are more I just wanted to give you, which is excellent communication skills. So you become an excellent communicator in the organization when you enter. Next, goal oriented. Whatever goal that you have created for your life, you become a goal oriented person. Third one, consistency. So whatever you do, whatever you take as a task, you must be consistent. You have to do continuously until it gets completed. So you are becoming consistent. Ability to change, it is more required skill set because adaptability, that means you have to adapt based on the requirement of the organization. Company will never change what activities and what attitude that you overcome, but you have to be adapt to the company's requirement. So that comes really a change atmosphere that you will get. Next, accountability. So accountability is something called as a responsibility. Did you feel responsible of any particular task that was assigned to you? So you become an accountable for that. Next slide. So career development, guys. So this is all like how you develop your career after having these many skills, like skill development program, also with management activities. So you gonna have a very good career if you be very serious in these trainings, where you give 100% in these trainings. So I just read whether technical or soft skills are important attributes and traits for success in a workplace. Like how soft skills and how technical skills, how subject skills are important. So it gives you immense place in the workplace, that means in the organization. It is important to develop transferable skills. What is kind of a transferable skills are? Whatever skills that you are taking, right? Whatever skills that you are learning, you are going to transfer that skills to your juniors. So that means you become a leader and you are making leaders. So that thing that is really important in terms of transferring skills, understanding relevant skills, their importance, how to develop them can help you constantly improve them from personal and professional growth. So it's not these skills are not only look for your career development, which helps in the organization. It also helps your personal level, your personal life. Also, it helps how to take a decision whenever there is a problem arise. So this is something a problem solving skills. That skills also you will are getting. Okay, so that's all, guys. Next slide. So that's all from my side. So hope you are getting complete knowledge, like complete information about how these 3 years that you're gonna utilize for this skill development program. So this program basically, I'll tell you, it gives you a great humor in your life. It gives you a great place in your life. If I compare myself as a graduate with you, if I see a market, how colleges are running, so these are the skills are basically. They train you on the academics only. Like academics is something, the books, the study that you have already. So these programs are specially designed because you should be a competitor, no more competitor for you when you require, when any organization is looking for your talent. Because young talented people are required for every company. Company is looking for young, talented, good freshers. You can't be a fresher after having these skills because you will be having a more skills added to your profile. And companies also, I'll tell you, whenever they see a fresher resume, they only have an option of educational qualifications, degree. Extra skills. How many skills that they give, I learn MS Office. I have a typing skill. Or else, if they learn something new, means they can write one or two skills. But in your skill set profile, how many skills that you can write? The all skill development program certification, like accounting certification, I have arrived. Finance certification, I have done. SQL also I have done. Soft skills I also done. So these many skills, when you write in your resume, then your weightage for getting selected in any organization becomes easy. Because managers require, HR managers see how good at you are everything. If I take you in the organization, are you fit or not? If you're not fit, you will be removed. So they will see each and every aspect closely and they will hire you. So the market is right now, this salary part, if you can see, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs per annum, they are giving for the freshers. So utilize the great opportunity that brings you for the way from Mega. So any other questions that you have next for this program? Any other questions? Guys, if you speak so that it will be very nice. Anyone want to talk? No one want to talk? Yes, this side. If you talk, it will be very easy for us to identify these 3 years that you are interested. No, right? So, Bharat sir. So, thank you so much, guys. I just invite Bharat sir to speak few words.
Thank you, Chandrakant sir. So, hope everyone got some idea about the SDP program. Yes or no? Sir was asking you to come on to dais or else asking you to stand in your place to speak something. Today you are afraid of it. You might have very good communication, but not coming forward because of what? Stage fear. See, many students have many weakness, right? That can be eliminated by attending SDP program and management activities. So once you attend all these things on 5 days with confidence on dais, you will become a public speaker. This is the main agenda of implementing what SDP program for you guys. Understood, right? So I would like to take you to utilize this in a proper way. Means take SDP program management activities as very seriously, and it is mandatory for each and every student. You are not allowed to neglect because we are going to see your attendance will be tracked for this program. People who are regularly attended, they are going to get the certificates also. Okay, regular, and there will be evaluation. Evaluation in the sense we might be conducting exams. We might be conducting mock interviews based on your performance. Best students are going to get what? Certificates. So that at least you can mention that on your resume. So your resume will get some weightage. So definitely companies will hire you based on multi skills. So please utilize this SDP program in a proper way. So if you are not regular to college, definitely we are going to ask you question why you are not regular. We are going to have personal counseling with you guys. If any student is irregular to college or irregular to SDP. The next thing, just go after going home, just type in Google and check the cost of every certification course. When you summarize all certification courses, it will reach to 3 to 4 lakhs. Your course fee is less than that, right? Yes or no? We are trying to provide more than that you are paying to us. So try to take more from us. As you are paying, right? Try to take more from us. If you want to learn this from outside, 3 to 4 lakhs as I said. So do you want to pay that amount outside? Time will be wasted. You need to travel. Yes, and don't know how the sessions will be. So everything you are getting in college premises. No need to go anywhere. You are getting best trainers. You have seen all SDP trainers. who have corporate experience. Don't think that these people are from only teaching side. These people are from corporate as well as what? Teaching. So added an advantage for you guys. Teaching experience as well as what? Corporate experience. Definitely we are going to teach you practical things. We know about market conditions. We know about market conditions. I am from SDP Capital. I have 3.5 years experience as a financial research analyst. And Chandrakant sir, still he is working. He is assistant manager in one of the top organizations. He is a soft skills trainer. Understood, right? So we are from top multinational companies, not only both, some other SDP trainers, also work as team leaders, managers, different organizations. Understood? So definitely, whatever we train, whatever we teach, one fine day, today you may not realize, but one fine day, when you complete your graduation, you will come to know the value of that learning skills. So, you would like to tell you again, please utilize this in a proper way. Don't take it in a negative way. There are some people, they will try to divert you guys. Don't get diverted. Today, learning will be future earnings. If you learn more, earn more in the future. Don't run behind money. Let money come to you guys. Then you have more skills. I hope everyone is going to do that. Anyone, me, Chandrakant sir, other trainers will interact with you. There will be sessions where, see, it's not like very serious session. It will be interactive. We are open for solving doubts and all. And we are also friendly in nature. If students are following in a proper way, we don't say anything. So if you don't follow in a proper way, definitely there will be something. Understood, right? As this is the first day session, I don't want to tell you what we are going to do, but in a positive way, kindly utilize this opportunity. Hope you are going to do. In final year, again I'll talk to you. Once the learnings are completed, I'll ask you how many certificates you got. We are going to have photo session and all with principal sir. That can be memory for you guys. Yes or no? Thank you so much guys for your patience. The same thing we are expecting in the continuous sessions. Okay. Thank you. Let us have a photo session guys. First day, right? SDP. So let us have photo session with all the students. So initially, we'll go there. We'll take one photo. We'll take one photo from this side. Later again, we'll call first girls can come here. We'll have a good photo. Later again boys. Later, based on the situation, because place is less, right? So according to situation, we are going to have photo. Until that can be memory. After degree, you can remember first day SDP with Chandrakant sir, Bharat sir. So in future, you are going to having captures with other SDP trainers also. Okay, thank you so much. As other trainers are busy in other classes, that's why they could not come here. But definitely they are going to meet you guys. Thank you.
On their eyes, just nod your head. And what your feeling is, sir is watching everyone. Am I right? Yes. If I want to see you particularly, I will not initially I'm saying, don't see directly to your eyes, only see forehead. Forehead means you are not contacting your eyes. So once you get used to it, and you become fearless on stage, and you become more patient, right? So practice this, then only you get used to it. This is no one will tell you how to gain the stage fear, how to overcome from the stage. No one will tell these are our mantras. So starting, you start doing it. Definitely one day you become very big expert on stage, and then start seeing their eyes. No issues. If you have confidence in your eyes, whoever is sitting in front of you become no confidence. If you are confident enough to talk, others what they feel? Hey, I don't have a confidence. I have to earn confidence like him. Then start thinking like that. So whenever when I directly shoot a question to you, you become fearless. Wait, sir, मेरे को पूछ रहे क्या बोलूं समझ में नहीं आता फिर सबके सामने मैं stand, right? So
if you feel, if I am standing here, if I see a confident person who is watching me like I have confidence, whatever you ask, I start asking them only, then automatically their confidence becomes wrong. So you have to be highlighted. If I am sorry, everyone want to be highlighted, right? Everyone want to be highlighted. How you highlight it? You have to highlight by making others' confidence down, then you become an highlighted person. That doesn't mean that you use something different terminology or use some different words or something to make others' confidence down. No. You need to identify at which level they are lacking in skills. Then only this stage becomes yours. The stage is something like you are becoming a professor to everything. You are teaching everything, and they are listeners. They are listening. Okay, stage fear is something very important. Guys, you start practicing it, thinking like this, then definitely one day you become an expert. When I say one day, it's not after graduation. Maybe 3-4 months you become an expert. You will be getting PowerPoint presentations. So you have to present, like we presented this program where you have to present to others, to your class members, so that it becomes very easy for you, right? So one more thing I just wanted to tell you guys. Within 10 minutes, our principal going to arrive and wanted to have a session with you guys. So only for 10 minutes, he wanted to interact with you, especially for BBS students. It's not done yet, right? So yeah, he's going to come. So I just want to give you an update. Till that time, 10 minutes, I want to talk to you. I want to interact with you. Who are you? For that reason, I pick people and you have to speak. There only you sit, stand and talk. Okay?
Yes, I accomplished my work from Narayana Junior College, Krishna.
Okay. Any words about skill development program? What you feel?
Honestly, the answer I don't have any.
Okay.
My name is Princy. I have completed my 12th from Venkateshwara College. So you mentioned one thing, and from the starting I was saying one thing. Everyone is telling us free assistant justice system. Like everyone should recognize me as Princy, not free assistant justice system. So I'm trying to be better than them. I know I can't be better or best than them, but I'm trying so. And about that SDP program, I think it's very useful because I have seen the skills in my brother and sister, and they are doing very well. Currently, about my sister, I don't know much, but my brother is doing very well. So I would like to gain the same confidence. I like my brother's confidence. I want that confidence, and my sister's speaking skills and all. So just speak.
Just please, right?
Yes.
What is doing right now?
He's in UK.
Okay.
Yes, he's doing MBA. Yes.
So, did he mention about this program?
Actually, I'm not close with my brother. I'm close to my sister. So I'm not much, close to my brother. But I've seen that confidence. I've seen his videos. I've seen his PPT presentation. I've seen his pictures, and I've seen his confidence at my home and in college. So I really like that confidence, and I know he got that confidence from this college. So I really wanted to come to this college and get the same confidence. Thank you.
It's a Princey. Okay? So now you will be called as a Princey only. Anyone?
Yeah, I am VDC student. I'm from Butterfly. First of all, I visit first time this. I was called to rid of stress. Somewhat here. Okay, I don't even the plan of okay, I was taking the BBA of taking up my father's business. I have the business of farming and rice mill, so etc. I just was taking the BBA, take up the business. I don't want to be business or got a 40,000 to 50,000 job. My mother was once, I don't know, she was my father. 40,000 salary stage. My father said 2 days, 3 lakhs of the there is a business model exactly. BPS తీసుకోవడం వల్ల ఏం యూజ్ వచ్చిందో నాకు తెలుస్తుందని నా ఫాదర్ చెప్పాడు అంతే వీడియో తీయమని చెప్పిండు ఒక స్టేటస్ అన్నాడు. నేను మా ఫాదర్తో చెప్పి కొంతమంది మా దాంట్లో బీబీఏ చేసిన వాళ్ళు అట్లే ఇప్పుడు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీలో పనిచేస్తున్నాం. మా రిలేటివ్ అమెజాన్ కంపెనీలో పనిచేస్తున్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు 40,000-50,000 ఇస్తున్నారు. దాని రెగ్యులర్ పే చేసుకుని పని. నేను ఇప్పుడు బిజినెస్ తీసుకుని మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ బీబీఏగా ఇట్లాంటి స్కిల్స్ ఏమైనా వస్తున్నాయి కదా, అంటే ఎక్స్ట్రా అంటే మీకు పెట్టుకుని అవసరం వచ్చేది. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పలేదు సార్ ఇట్లా బయట ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఇస్తున్నాడు, మ్యాక్సిమం ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఇస్తాను నాకు. అంటే నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఎఫెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. మాకు ఒక కంపెనీ ఉంటే హిందుస్థాన్ ఏజెన్సీ, దాంతో నేను కొంతమంది చేసాను. ఏంటంటే పాస్ అవుట్ అయిపోతాం. రెడీనెస్ అప్డేట్ రిజల్ట్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత 10 members రన్ అప్ చేసుకున్నాం. 15,000 శాలరీ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళ అప్రూవల్ వచ్చి వాళ్ళు 15,000 శాలరీ ఇక్కడ వస్తుందన్న మాకు ఆల్రెడీ ఒక 3,000 రెడ్గా క్లిక్ అయిపోతుంది, మళ్ళీ 4,000 అయిపోతుంది. జాబ్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏమొస్తుంది కదా. అందుకే నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఇప్పుడు ఈ బిజినెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడానికి ఒకటే బీబీఏ తీసుకున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
I really like your saying how why you selected this course. I understand many people are able to do business first because 80% or 90% students who study for jobs maximum. So only 10 to 15% start doing business started once they complete their graduation. So one thing, guys, you said that how the skills are useful for your business. Guys, employee managing is one of the toughest tasks. You start your business, not only you work. You start giving employment to the people. 10 people, 20 people, 30. You want to grow, right? Maybe you start with 10 people, maybe another 30, maybe another 80. Then how you tackle that problems? If employees are not there, so those comes under the management activities. So how you become a very good manager so that you manage your business effectively. Become a good manager. So those activities will help you. At the same time, when I say skill development program, use certification of accounting, use certification of finance. Your core is MPC. You do not have proper accounting knowledge. You hire accounting person. They can do any n number of errors to make you feel you are doing perfect. Yes or no? So you must know some basics so that you can ask questions to your employer. So that's where also you get helpful for this program. So some or the other, if you want to go for a job or if you want to start your business, these courses will help you and these courses will gain you in terms of business. Okay?